Let's play a game. I will say sentences in present and you will convert it in past. Are you ready? Okay. The woman lives in a village. She has 7 sons. Her sons are lazy. She sees a snake in her dream. She keeps milk for the snake. The tail of the snake turns into gold. Very good.
I just wanna stay with you, 'cause everyone is so loud. I just wanna
Very
be quiet. Give me the steps of direction. Give me some time for introspection.
Okay, now you will convert past into present. Are you ready? When did you get up yesterday? When did you go to school? When did you study? When did you go to play? At what time did you go to bed? Very good. I did not like junk food. Ilakshi went to temple on Monday.